Good morning, students. Today we decided to discuss about few case studies where identification of the concept is very important, particularly related to marketing chapter. We already saw the case studies related to functions of marketing, the various concepts and philosophies related to marketing, branding. We have seen those case studies. So let's today understand the next aspect, that is the marketing mix and promotion, physical distribution. We will see few case studies related to that. Okay, children. So let's try to understand this case study. What is in there? Haryana is a famous chain. Hayaram is a famous chain selling a huge variety of products in Indian market. Their products include chips, biscuits, sweets, squashes. It charges a comparatively higher price than its competitors as it sells quality products. Besides, it offers regular discounts to its customers and easy credit terms to its retailers. It has 5 of its own retail shop. It also sells its products through various grocery stores so that the products are made available to the customers at the right place, at the right quantity, at the right time. It regularly uses different communication tools to increase the sales. In the above para, the combination of variable used by Hayaram to prepare its market offering. Identify the same. Very easy, children. First one, what are the products? Chips, biscuits, sweets, squashes. Their products include chips, that is product. What are the 4 P's of marketing? Product, price, place, promotion. Right. So chips, biscuit and all comes under the product category. I have identified that. Price, it is charging a little higher price because of the quality. Right. It charges a comparatively higher price. That line refers to price. Then this is the simplest case study that you will get. Right time, right place, right quantity. If you see that word, that is physical distribution. Right. Promotion, it is using different tools of communication. That comes under promotion. Right. Now, this is one case study where you have to identify. Children, if you observe here, it also sells products through various grocery stores at the right time, right place. It has 5 retail shops. That is all coming under place or physical distribution. If you observe, this is the most simplest case where you have to identify the 4 P's of marketing. Now, the most confusing aspect where many of you, even during the teaching session and revision session, you have made mistake is communication. The communication aspect or the promotional aspect. Various tools, what are the various tools and how to identify in a case study? So this question will help you do that. Right. Various tools of communication used by marketers to produce their product. Why do companies use all tools at the same time? Name and explain the most commonly used non-personal tool. Non-personal tool. What are the non-personal tools? Which tool of promotion will be used for the following? Now let us see A. Why do companies use all the tools? Why they use all the tools at the same time? Because the nature of the market, nature of the product, promotion budget, objectives of promotion are different at different times. Why I'm using personal selling, advertising, I'm using sales promotion techniques, I'm giving discounts, offers, so many things I'm doing to boost the sales. Right? The most commonly used non-personal tool of promotion. What is the most commonly used non-personal tool? Obviously paid form advertising. Very commonly used tool is advertising. Now let's understand which tool of promotion, there are actually 4 tools, children, how you will use at what time. To promote or protect a company's image or its individual product, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Maggi, they were defamed for certain things. Once Dairy Milk also got defamed, I told you na. So what is the tool that you will use? The tool that is used in case to improve the image of the company. First one would be public relation. When somebody has destroyed my goodwill, my image in the market, then I will use public relation. Children, recently we have seen the issue of WhatsApp, privacy issue. Yes, so the company immediately came up with a public relations tool saying that it has got no error or there is no privacy issue with WhatsApp. They came up because that was a rumor that spread that destroyed the image of Facebook and WhatsApp. Right? An existing product meant for mass usage of literate people. Only literate people can use that. Personal selling. Right. Promote a company's image, it is public relation. Mass usage for literate people is generally personal selling. It's not personal selling, it's advertisement. Advertisements in newspapers. If it is not we audio, no, it is in magazines, it is in the internet, then it is for literate people. Right, sorry for the error. To introduce a new product to a particular class of people through door to door visit. Door to door visit, if I am doing, then it is personal selling. To attract the attention of people by using intense incentives like discount, cash cards, lucky coupon, if I'm using all those things, I'm using sales promotion techniques. I repeat one more time. If you want to protect the image of the company, Maggie अच्छा है, कुछ नहीं होगा, use public relations, right? An existing product meant for mass usage of literate people, and for an existing product, advertisement. To introduce a new product to a particular class of people, door to door visit, or when you go to a retail outlet and interact with the retail or wholesale outlet and interact with the person who is there, the shopkeeper, then it comes under personal selling only. To attract the attention of people by using incentives, sales promotion, right? Understood? Hope you have understood the different promotional tools. Generally you have to identify this, right? I will also be sharing some images in the group. Try to identify, right? Thank you and have a very good day.